McDonald's is the world's most recognizable fast food brand. The company operates around 38,000 franchises in 100 countries and serves approximately 70 million customers every single day. Even Queen Elizabeth II owns a McDonald's franchise near the Buckingham Palace. It is also one of the largest employers in the US, many of whom get trained at the company-owned institute called Hamburger University located in Chicago. Since its inception, McDonald's has sold numerous products that were made, packed and delivered consistently and innovatively. But in 1996, McDonald's faced its most embarrassing failure with the new brand Ark Deluxe. Ark Deluxe was branded as burger with the grown-up taste and was targeted at the grown-up segment. The company spent a fortune in developing and promoting the product. However, the product didn't do well in the market and was completely withdrawn by the year 2000. So what caused this fiasco? Let's find out. During the early 90s, the American economy entered a recession which lasted only 8 months. Although the severity and duration of the recession was mild compared to other 20th century recessions, and the economic growth recovered in about a year, employment recovery was sluggish, and some of the biggest industries, including transportation, wholesale, trade, manufacturing, and defense, downsized their workforce by 10%. With a dwindling discretionary income, people ate out less frequently. Net sales were low throughout the restaurant industry, but the fast food sales were affected the most. Fortunately, incomes increased by 1993 and sales at fast food restaurants surged. However, recovery in the full-service restaurant was slow as customers were reluctant to spend a lot on restaurants. McDonald's saw an opportunity in the sluggish sales of full-service restaurants and commissioned the production of an upscale line of burger for the adult segment and called it Ark Deluxe. The Deluxe recipe, which was made of sophisticated ingredients like sesame home-style buns, a secret grown-up sauce, Spanish onions, iceberg lettuce, tomatoes, smoked bacon, classic American cheese, a quarter-pound pure domestic beef, and an extra fancy tomato ketchup. McDonald's conducted a massive market research which strongly indicated that people would love a burger designed specifically for adults. McDonald's spent $100 million on creating the perfect burger for the adults segment. With all the fancy ingredients and a strong assurance from the market research, McDonald's set out a bold and expensive advertising campaign. The company spent between $150 million to $200 million on advertising, which at the time was the most expensive promotional campaign in the fast food industry's history. This brought the total cost of developing and promoting the Ark Deluxe to $300 million. Unfortunately, Ark Deluxe failed to inspire consumers, but the problem wasn't the recipe. To regular McDonald's customer, the tagline, "It's the burger with the grown-up taste," sounded confusing, as McDonald's was not a grown-up's usual go-to restaurant. In addition, the $200 million promotional campaign showed kids shunning the sophisticated product and throwing out the sophisticated, less fun ingredients. This message didn't play well with the adult audience. Ark Deluxe also had a sophisticated price. The burger was priced at $2.49, which made it 32 cents more expensive than the next most expensive burger. But most importantly, the company failed to realize that people don't frequent McDonald's for sophistication or culinary delight. Their clientele never expect a broad range of menu options or wait staff. When people think of McDonald's, they think of a friendly, low-priced, clean and convenient fast food restaurant with golden arches that sell burgers, Happy Meals, and the perfect French fries. And Ark Deluxe was none of those, and therefore it crashed and burned. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and share the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you haven't already. We'll meet next week with a new video. Until then, goodbye.